You're going to need orange, green, and pink, a black marker, scissors, and a blank sheet of white paper. Fold it. Draw a half of a heart at the crease. Cut out the hearts at the crease. Just like that. Save the hearts for later. Write Happy Mother's Day. Draw a sun. Draw a flower. My flower has eyes and hands. Trace the flower on the back. Make sure that you trace it so that it can look neat. Write Moms are. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Hugs, kisses, loving. Your son, DJ. Color your flower pink. Color the body in green. Trace the words in pink. Now trace the words in green. Color the sun orange. Shade the edges pink. Draw designs around the heart. Now color the hearts pink. You can glue them on your flower later. Now we are going to use pink and blue colors. Color your sky blue and pink. Now color the other pages. You can create green grass. And don't forget, you can glue your hearts down now. Don't make a mess. Happy Mother's Day. Moms are hugs, kisses, and love you. Don't forget your name.